I greet you today in the spirit of thanks as a 14-year prostate cancer survivor. While I have experienced challenges along my journey, I am blessed on the eve of Father's Day 2014. However, during this time each year, I always look to the heavens in remembrance of my father and both grandfathers who lost their lives to prostate cancer. 1 in every 5 black men will face prostate cancer during their lifetimes, and we would die at a rate 2.5 times greater than men of all other racial and ethnic groups. Prostate cancer is a devastating health crisis in Black America, causing unnecessary death and suffering to our brothers and their families. This crisis demands our attention. As a population most heavily impacted by prostate cancer, Black America must become the most knowledgeable and our voices the loudest in the fight against this disease. I wrote in my book, Battling the Killer Within, in 2001, that we must change our culture around prostate cancer from one of silence to one of openness, awareness, and knowledge. Prostate health awareness and knowledge must become part of the very fabric of our communities. My vision and prayer is that Finn, working with our church partners and supporters, will weave this protective fabric. Today's symposium is a special and exciting day towards this vision. Through prayer, all things are possible. For hosting our education symposium, I send my sincerest thanks and appreciation to each of our church partners. I surely wish I could be present at every symposium. Pastors and church leaders, thank you for your leadership on the prostate cancer issue within your churches and communities. Finn Survivor Network members, your commitment, hard work, and leadership make things possible. For those participating as speakers and presenters, thank you for sharing your knowledge and expertise. A key message for those attending this symposium is that knowledge is the best defense against prostate cancer. We trust that our efforts today will make a positive difference in your lives. Happy Father's Day to everyone, and may God bless us all.